All right, guys, so in this video, we're going to look at the third type of grace note that we have in Highland bagpipe music. It's going to be the D grace note. And this is going to enable us to go further in the course, learning about all the other doublings that we have in our music as well. So let me go ahead and show you what the D grace note looks like on its own. Basically, we're going to just be lifting this D finger, creating that chirping sound that we have with all the other grace notes. All right, so now let me show you what it looks like in the scale at 50 beats per minute. So you notice the scale only goes up to C, and that's because it's impossible to do a D grace note on any note higher than C. And as always, if you have any issues with any of the transitions from any of those individual notes, go ahead and just isolate those transitions and get more comfortable with them, and then put everything back into the original scale, and you should be good to go. Okay, so good luck with that, and I will see you in the next video.